Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to remove Meta AI from Instagram. This feature is, of course, available to some other countries, but in my country, it's not yet available. So let's just say if you have this feature already, then if you go to the search icon, you will see this Ask Meta AI anything, or you can go to a specific conversation and then type at and then Meta AI and ask anything from this AI. Now, if you don't feel like using it or if you want to remove this feature, unfortunately, you cannot remove this one. But I'm going to show you a method on how to simply remove this from the latest version and instead use other version of WhatsApp. But first, you have to go to your phone settings, go to app management, go to app list, and locate Instagram. And then what you're going to do here is to simply uninstall this application. So as you can see, you can tap this uninstall beside force up. And then once you have uninstalled this application, you can now go to any web browser and let's just say Google web browser. Now you have to search for Instagram old version or older versions of Instagram. So once you tap this Instagram old version, click the very first link that you see here. Then you will see here tons of older versions of Instagram. Now, what you're going to do is to simply download any of the older version of Instagram because in the older version, this Meta AI is not yet available. So this is the only or the best way on how to not use the Meta AI on Instagram. If you go to the latest application, there is no option of deleting this AI feature. So all you have to do is to download this and then install and then open your Instagram and then you will see that this version hasn't this version doesn't have this Meta AI on Instagram. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.